Recently, I got an iPhone 12 and I wanted to follow up about the things I really appreciate about iPhones in general, in hopes that maybe this can help others decide on whether they want to stick with Apple or switch to iPhone or not. So let's start. Number 1, longevity. The first thing that I really appreciate about iPhones is how long they last. In my previous video, I showed how I was switching from the iPhone SE from 2016. This is a 5-year-old phone that's fully functional and is still set to get the new iOS 15 update alongside with the iPhone 6s, which is a 6-year-old device. How many Android phones from 2015 can you list that are still getting full system software updates? And if you were to dive further into Apple's security updates, you'll find that the iPhone 5s from 2013 is still receiving security updates. Considering this, the iPhone 12 with its new technology, I wouldn't be surprised if people were still rocking it in 2028. Number 2, security and privacy. Privacy is one of the main selling points of the iPhone. Remember back when Apple denied cooperation with the FBI in order to protect their customers' privacy? No one else does it like the iPhone. Maybe you wouldn't mind if third parties were able to collect your data, but it's the fact that iPhone gives you the choice if you want to or not that I really appreciate. Google's entire business is built on finding out everything about you in order to curate a better experience for consumers, whereas Apple's is just to sell expensive products. And with the fact that Apple gives much longer security support for their devices, I know for a lot of people that being on iPhone would give them much better peace of mind for their privacy. Number 3, physical stores. What I really like about Apple is how they have physical stores. Maybe you need a battery replacement on your phone, or maybe you just have some questions about the device. You could have it all done within the span of a day or two compared to a lot of Android companies that don't even have any physical stores. Where if you wanted something like a repair, you'd have to ship your phone away and wait several business days before you could use your phone again. Along with the risk of your device getting lost or stolen in transit, having physical stores also allows you to go in and test out new devices or buy things instantly, making things much easier for customers like you. Number 4, cross-platform connectivity. What I love about iPhones is how they play so well with other Apple devices. If you have other devices such as a MacBook or iPad, they really do integrate together really well. From features such as AirDrop, Handoff, or Sidecar to SMS forwarding between devices, it's just the little things that make the user experience of the iPhone so much better. Number 5, iMessages. iMessages is undoubtedly better than SMS. Sure, you could use other apps such as WeChat, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger, but it's the fact that iMessages is the default on iPhone that gives it so much more power. Every iPhone has iMessages. You don't need to spend time figuring out which app to use with which friend, and if you live in a market where iPhones are dominant, you may just be left out if you don't have iMessages. And the fact that you can use iMessages on other Apple devices also makes it so much better. So those are the 5 things I really appreciate about the iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Maybe if you were thinking of switching to or away from Apple. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment. I'd love to keep this discussion going. Like and subscribe. Bye!